Welcome to another Stratco how-to. Today we're looking at our lightweight plastic shelving units. Very versatile, can be used almost anywhere, weatherproof, rust resistant, has a capacity of 25 kilograms per shelf, 125 kilograms total, and it's 1.8 metres high. Very universal use. As with any project, the first step is the unboxing to make sure that you've got all the components that you require to get the job done. There's a very comprehensive listing in the instruction manual, and you just need to go through and ensure that all those parts are there and in good condition. Today, to complete the job, the only tool you're going to need is a rubber mallet. It certainly makes it easy. If you haven't got it, you can just hit it quite hard with your hand, but recommend a rubber mallet at any particular time. So we start off with your first shelf and putting the feet in. The feet in are these raised modules, and you just put them into each of the 4 slots, like this. The next step, once you've got the base done, nice and solid, and you've tapped in the feet all the way they should go, is you grab these supports and you make sure they go into the slots nice and firmly, point down. And again, nice firm hit with the mallet. Now that you've got the steady base done, you just keep doing the layers upon each other until you get to the top. There's 5 of those. And one of the last steps is to make sure you finish off with the top caps. That locks in the top shelf. As you can see, there's that hole in the top there. These caps just go in here quite firmly, and then you tap them in with the mallet. And that's the completed unit. In the instructions there's a safety call out. Comes complete with these brackets which allow you to attach it safely to a wall. This is the finished unit. As you can see, it's quite sturdy, 1.8 metres high. One of the key features of this is that you can actually have it side by side. So you can pull these 2 top off and have it alongside of it and have multiple units along the way. So it doesn't have to be built in this configuration. It can be built in many types of configurations that suit your needs.